Okay, this is a video on like how fast this guy can solve the Rubik's Cube. And this is a Rubik's Cube, and it is like siliconed up and ready to go. And he'll see how fast he can do this, like using the normal method, not
the beginner's method,
not the Friedrich method, like really fast one. And I'm gonna time him using his iPod. So I'm gonna mix it up. Gotta mix it up good, even though it doesn't really matter.
It'll work anyway.
Okay, audience, does this look messed up enough for you guys? Because it doesn't matter what you think, because he's gonna do it anyway. So, I
get 15 seconds to look at it.
Oh yeah, you can have 15 seconds. Ready? Now.
Okay.
Okay. Whoa, dude, that's like exactly 15 seconds. Okay.
Good job.
So, I'll tell you when to start. Okay. Ready, set, now. As you can see,